Motorsportsmania is your ultimate destination for in-depth vehicle reviews, detailed specifications, and feature breakdowns. Whether you are a road trip enthusiast, an adventure seeker, or simply looking for a reliable motorhome for long journeys, we provide comprehensive insights to help you choose the perfect vehicle. Our reviews focus on design, performance, technology, and practicality, ensuring that you have all the information you need before making your decision. In today's video, we take a closer look at the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, a vehicle designed to bring comfort, convenience, and reliability to life on the road. Toyota has long been known for its durability and innovation, and the latest motorhome model continues to uphold that reputation while introducing modern features to enhance the travel experience. This motorhome is built to cater to those who love exploring the outdoors without compromising on luxury and practicality. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome features a sleek and aerodynamic design that not only looks modern but also improves fuel efficiency and handling. The bold front grille, sharp LED headlights, and streamlined bodywork give it a contemporary and stylish appearance. The high ground clearance ensures stability on various terrains, making it a reliable option for long-distance travel. The side profile includes large panoramic windows, allowing for an open and airy feel inside, while the retractable awning provides shade and protection when parked at campsites. The rear section is designed for easy access, featuring a wide entry door and a sturdy ladder for roof storage options. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome is powered by a robust and fuel-efficient engine. Most models come equipped with a 3.5-liter V6 or a hybrid powertrain option, delivering ample power for highway cruising and off-road adventures. The advanced suspension system ensures a smooth ride, absorbing road imperfections effectively. The transmission is designed for effortless driving, whether navigating city streets or long stretches of highway. Toyota has also focused on optimizing fuel efficiency, allowing travelers to enjoy longer trips with fewer fuel stops. With a reliable drivetrain and an improved towing capacity, this motorhome is perfect for carrying additional gear or towing a small trailer. Moving to the interior, Toyota has designed the 2025 motorhome to be both spacious and comfortable, making it feel like a true home on wheels. The layout is intelligently crafted to maximize space, offering a cozy yet functional living area. The driver's cabin is equipped with a high-tech dashboard featuring a digital instrument cluster, an advanced infotainment system with a touchscreen display, and smartphone connectivity through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The ergonomic seats provide excellent support, ensuring comfort even on long drives. The living area is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials and a modern aesthetic. The kitchenette is fully equipped with a refrigerator, a gas stove, a microwave, and a sink, allowing for easy meal preparation on the go. The dining area features a foldable table and comfortable seating, which can be converted into an additional sleeping area if needed. The primary sleeping quarters offer a plush mattress with ample storage compartments, ensuring a restful night's sleep. Large windows with privacy blinds and integrated LED lighting create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Toyota has also prioritized convenience by incorporating smart home features into the 2025 motorhome. The climate control system ensures a comfortable interior temperature regardless of weather conditions, while the integrated solar panels provide sustainable energy for off-grid adventures. A smart control panel allows travelers to monitor power usage, water levels, and temperature settings with ease. Multiple USB charging ports, wireless charging pads, and a premium sound system enhance the overall travel experience. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Toyota Motorhome, and it comes equipped with an array of advanced safety features. Toyota Safety Sense includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring, providing extra security on long journeys. Additional safety features such as multiple airbags, stability control, traction control, and a reinforced chassis ensure that travelers remain protected in all conditions. Rear-view and 360-degree cameras assist in parking and maneuvering the large vehicle with confidence. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome offers a surprisingly smooth and stable ride. The suspension system is finely tuned to absorb road bumps, making long trips more comfortable. Steering is responsive, and the braking system is robust, ensuring quick and safe stops when needed. The vehicle's well-insulated cabin reduces road noise, providing a peaceful and enjoyable driving experience. Whether navigating winding mountain roads or cruising on highways, the motorhome maintains a balanced and confident performance. Toyota has also designed the 2025 motorhome with plenty of storage options to accommodate all travel essentials. Overhead compartments, underbed storage, and exterior access storage spaces ensure that everything from camping gear to personal belongings can be neatly organized. The bathroom facilities include a compact yet functional shower, a toilet, and a sink with hot and cold water options, making it convenient for extended trips. For adventure seekers who enjoy off-grid travel, the Toyota motorhome's self-sufficient design makes it an excellent choice. The combination of solar power, efficient fuel consumption, and water conservation systems allows travelers to explore remote destinations without relying on external resources. Whether parked at a scenic lakeside spot or deep in the wilderness, this motorhome provides the perfect balance of comfort and independence. The 2025 Toyota motorhome is designed for those who crave exploration while enjoying modern conveniences. With its combination of innovative features, fuel-efficient performance, and reliable build quality, it stands out as a top choice for travelers looking to embark on unforgettable road trips. Toyota has successfully blended practicality with luxury, ensuring that every journey is as enjoyable as the destination itself. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Toyota motorhome. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Motors Sports Mania for more detailed vehicle reviews, the latest automotive updates, and expert insights into your favorite cars and motorhomes. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.